after the war, the Verband brought as many young people over as they could, and there were a lot of people with the tattoos, a lot of young men. I don't remember any young women, a number of young men coming. And I remember this, and it really upset me. It was for Labor Day, and we decorated the dining room. And this friend and I were hanging decorations around the dining room. And along came a few of these guys whom I knew, and one said, and we always spoke Yiddish, and he said, you know, wie geht's dir, was siehst du, something. And my Yiddish was not good. I said, mir gehen sich hängen. It was terrible, and you know, he looked particularly, I used to do a waltz with him. He looked very surprised, and I realized what a terrible, I tried to say, we're hanging things. Anyway, nothing came of it, but it's something that has stayed with me. Because yes, I spoke Yiddish fluently, but everybody can make a mistake in English as well. So they did bring a number of orphaned young people. Of course, everybody was very much aware there of the Holocaust. There were lots of people, lost people. A lot of the people we knew lost sons in the war, guys I knew. So the life was very Jewish, very Jewish American. You know, I guess as much as, you know, could be.